What I have here is some Pallet Forks. They come in 2 boxes, 46-inch forks, ready for 2,600 pounds. I've been had this for a while, but I'm just now taking out of the box because I just replaced the levers for the quick attachment on my bobcat. If you haven't looked at that video, do yourself a favor, please go look at that if you want to know how to replace the levers for your quick attachments. Since it comes in 2 boxes, I guess it's really not too much to put it together. Then the only thing left, you got your 2 forks, set them in place, run a pin through them. Come with your 2 pins and keys. Also come with a ball so you won't pull the trail around. Pick this plate up, then just slide it over top of your fork. Stick that pin through it. Put your key in it. Stick it on the other side. Pin. That's all it is. Now, turn around. Bobcat, drive up to it. See what it do.